All right, timer, are you ready? Scorekeeper, are you ready?
Come on, kid. Woo! Go, Thomas! Hit it!
Go. He's going to do it. Look at him taking his time and going deeper and deeper every time.
Go!
That's good. All right, good cut, good cut. That was just kind of like flowed into the bucket, Thomas. You can get this shell. You can get it. I don't think the bottom of it even moved. That was a good upright 15-point cut. Whoa! That was good. Gentlemen, you're going to have to keep an eye on Thomas. Many people don't know Thomas was born with a lazy eye. Then it took over his entire body. We'll skip the balls. Good run. Don Hoffman, you're up.